This is Tim Golema from MAHLE Aftermarket, and today I'm in the service engineering department, and a few samples have been shown to me that I think could be relevant. This is all part of the program that details are really important when it comes to installation. So Power Stroke is a very popular application, and there's been a lot of things done over the years because Power Stroke is such a popular platform to use. So I'm going to show you a few examples where maybe spending a few more moments would save everyone time and money. Another case that pops up, and this comes up in Power Stroke and others, but here's just one example. So you might be able to see it here where it looks like there's rust marks along the surface of the gasket, and you can't see it, but you're going to have to believe me, there is a groove that's bent around inside the combustion seal, and what that is evidence of is someone has installed additional combustion seal, the proverbial wire ring. And I really understand that it's really common and some people are successful at it, but it is a really dangerous game. Load balance, specifically in MLS, is calculated so you don't need any additional seal. So they have the right amount of seal on the combustion opening so that you don't leak coolant and you don't leak oil. So if you upset that balance and move 20% or 15% more of that load onto the combustion side, you are going to be susceptible to coolant and oil leakage. And I understand if you're running a lot of combustion pressure, it may be an alternative that you found, but you run the risk with this load balance of potentially leaking coolant. So be very careful. It's a dangerous game to play once you alter the load balance of this gasket or any gasket for that matter.